What's up guys, first I'd like to thank everyone for getting me to 1,000 subscribers just in time for the final video in the truck build series. Today we're going to head to the dyno and see if this garage built street truck can make 1,000 wheel horsepower. Now this video was actually filmed during the Texas summer, so it was 103 degrees out that day, which is a challenge in itself. If you like this video or build series, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Of course, a build like this wouldn't be possible without the help from great people in the car community. First off, a big shout out to Caesar at Horsepower Factory Texas for tuning this truck. HPF has done hundreds of turbo trucks and this one has used a proven recipe to get to my 1,000 horsepower goal. Thanks to John over at Huron Speed, I've run half a dozen more kits on my vehicles and the quality has always been amazing. Thanks to Albert at Rick's Machine Shop for the short block, as well as thanks to Nick at Nico's Customs for the rollers, as well as many more friends for helping with everything involved on a big build like this.
There's a what?
Get in.
We're not doing a pool, officer.
I started this channel a while ago to show that anyone could do a build like this in their garage, and this build series definitely proves it. Since this channel's creation, I've got messages and met with so many of you guys this channel has reached and had an impact on, which I say thank you, and I'm looking forward to see where the channel goes in the future.